Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Nabil Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nabil. So guys, सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये दिखा देता हूँ कि ये वेबसाइट देखें। इस वेबसाइट को देखें, कितनी क्रिएटिव वेबसाइट है। तो इसके मैं आपको एक चीज़ बता देता हूँ कि ये वेबसाइट जो है वो मैंने ChatGPT से बनाई है। उसकी कोडिंग वगैरह जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, इसकी इमेजेस वगैरह, वो सारी मैंने ChatGPT से बनाई है। सो कैसी लगी आपको वेबसाइट? ठीक है। वेल, लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट माई एक्सपीरियंस. आई वॉज इन योर शूज नॉट सो लॉन्ग ago until I discovered ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. If I write that create programming website with ChatGPT, then he will give you a tips. ठीक है. With ChatGPT I was able to create an intelligent chatbot that could communicate with the website visitors in real time without having to hire an expensive customer service team. Or not only that, but ChatGPT also helped me with creative and user-friendly interface and making sure that my website has a smooth navigation. You can see that this is the website smoothness, and these are the animations which I put on the website with the coding of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, I also able to generate the personalized content and tailored upsell recommendation for my users, which great helped with increasing my website traffic and revenue. If I see you the coding of this website, I'm showing you the coding of this website. That this is very simple, not a professional type. The coding and programming will be simple. The best part I am gonna tell you that the best part of the ChatGPT is a cost effective and efficient solution that allowed me to have my website up and running in no time. So guys, this is a code which I create on ChatGPT. So if you are struggling to build the programming website, try ChatGPT today. As well as I highly recommend you that you can open the chat.openai.com, which is I am giving you the link, chat.openai/and-chat. If you click on this, the ChatGPT the interface will be open, and you can log in and your password, enter your passwords. ठीक है. And if you create a website, create a toggle button coding. If you search any other website, then he will give you the coding as well as. And I built the website by this HTML and CSS, also the JavaScript. I built this website. This is only for HTML and CSS, so you won't believe the incredible outcomes it can help you create. Or if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. On the next video I will create the live coding, and also I will create a video for how you can build the website using ChatGPT, and how you design a prototype of ChatGPT. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Or show me your love of this video. Press the bell icon and also share this video, also like this video, and also comment this video that how website is this, and how may I use the ChatGPT, and you can also build the website using the ChatGPT. It gives you all the coding, just like Python, create toggle button in Python. He will give you the Python coding as well as. I also recommend you, highly recommend you that you will install ChatGPT, and also as well this is also called the openai.com. This is a professional software, and you can see this that he gave me coding of the Python programming languages. And so guys, that's it on my video. If you guys new in my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want this project if you want this project which